Frustrated by the Evntagnt.dll Library DLL software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. Access the official Evntagnt library diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Evntagnt library, the SNMP event log extension agent. It provides the unmanaged bridge between the Windows event log and the SNMP Simple Network Management Protocol service. It facilitates the orchestration of event manifests into SNMP traps for remote network monitoring data links. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Evntagnt is a core Windows component. Launch an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to scan for corruption and automatically replace missing or damaged system DLLs. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Evntagnt library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Evntagnt library DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If registry organization or startup behavior is a concern, the maintenance resource below includes Evntagnt library references. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Evntagnt library. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.